guys, and welcome back to a new video. In today's video, we are going to see a detailed tutorial on Signal. As WhatsApp has updated its privacy policies, the whole world is now switching to Signal. So now I'm going to show you how to use Signal and its features. If you're on Android, go to Play Store. If you're on iOS, go to App Store. Just simply search for the app Signal and the app which we need will pop up in the first. So download the app and then open it. Now let us go through a detailed tutorial of this app. Open the app. After a very easy registration process, this will be your home screen. Just search for any contact and start messaging. So iOS users might have noticed that this app is a very similar copy of iOS WhatsApp, including the emojis, the icons, and the animation feels very clean and it's just like iOS WhatsApp. I personally prefer it. Even the emojis are from iOS. So now let's go for the privacy features. Click on your profile picture that is on the top left and it will take you to the menu, the settings menu. So the first option is notifications. Click on notifications and you can find a bunch of options there. You can turn off notifications or turn on and it's totally up to you for your customization. So the next option is privacy, the main reason why everyone is downloading this app right now. So the first option is screen lock. Lock signal access with Android screen lock or fingerprint. So if your phone has fingerprint scanner, just turn it on. This is how the messages on the notification bar looks like when the app is unlocked. After we lock the app, the messages turn to locked. And the next option is screen lock inactivity timeout. This means that if your app is inactive for the set time, then the app will lock automatically. The next privacy feature is screen security. Block screenshots in the recent list and inside the app. So any screenshot which will be taking, it will be just black. The next one is incognito keyboard. So this is just like an incognito browser mode. It will not store any information or any history about your keyboard or any letters which you have typed. So the next privacy feature is always relay calls. Relay all calls to the Signal server to avoid revealing your IP address to your contact. So I hope everyone must have understood that. It's very easy to understand. Next one, read receipts, typing indicators, and generate link previews were already present in WhatsApp. But typing indicators is something which was not present in WhatsApp. So the next one is Signal pin. So WhatsApp users might have already guessed this. This is the same thing just there in WhatsApp. So we can set a four-digit pin number, and and next one is pin reminders. It'll frequently ask us to help us remember it, and registration lock. So whenever you register again, it will ask you the pin to you start using Signal again. So the next feature is appearance, theme and language. Theme, it is the system default light or dark. I prefer dark mode. If you prefer light mode, this is how the app will look like in light mode. So the next one is chats and media. Media auto download, chats, etc. were already in WhatsApp. So you can just customize it on your own wish. The most important feature here is backups, chat backups. I have never seen this in any other chatting application. So now I will show you how to use it. First of all, go to your default My Files folder and go to internal storage and create a folder named Signal Backup or Backup of your chats, whatever name of your own choice. And then go back to your Signal app. Press that and press Turn On and select Choose Folder. Scroll and find your folder and select Use this folder and give Allow. So they will show a very important passphrase. It's about 36 digits. So take a screenshot or write it down elsewhere and then checkbox I have written down this passphrase and give enable backups. So that's it. Your chat backups have been enabled. The next one is linked devices. This is just the same as WhatsApp web, but in Signal's desktop app, you can call or video call from your desktop app. So that's all about this app. This app might seem complex at first, but it gets easy with later use. This app is very privacy oriented. So that is it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please drop a like and thank you for watching.